Hi, good day. COVID-19 update in the Philippines as of May 14, 2021. The objectives of our update are the following: create public awareness, disseminate information and educate the public, encourage the public to continue follow the minimum health safety protocols or standards, such as wearing a face mask, wearing a face shield, washing of hands, physical or social distancing, and request the public to allow themselves to be vaccinated. Before we continue with our report, I would like to thank to those who were able to subscribe the channel already. Edgardo Capillanes, thank you very much. Then we go to COVID-19 additional cases in the Philippines. Of course, this is for May 14, 2021. We have additional positive cases, 6,784. Additional recovered cases, 2,972. Additional died cases, 137. Take note that this is for May 14, 2021, meaning today. Then we go to COVID-19 total cases in the Philippines as of May 14, 2021. The total cases were 1,131,467. This number can be broken down into three components. We have total recovered cases, 1,053,523. Total died cases, 18,958. Total active cases, 58,986. Then the corresponding percentages of these three components with respect to total cases. Total recovered cases is 93.11%. Total died cases, 1.68%. Total active cases, 5.21%. And these metrics now can be called COVID-19 total cases in the Philippines as of May 14, 2021 statistical analysis. Before we end with our report, I would like to invite you to subscribe the channel, especially to those who did not able to subscribe it, to do so. Click the bell, like, and share this video to others. And finally, basing upon on the statistical analysis, it reveals that 93.11% were able to survive, were able to recover from COVID-19 pandemic. 1.68 did not able to do so, did not able to survive. They lost their lives. And 5.21% of the total cases were considered to be active, meaning that these were the remaining victim of COVID-19 pandemic, which can be seen in the public and private hospitals, health facilities in the government that can be located in the urban cities or provinces within the Philippines. And then, basing upon on this statistical analysis, the 5.21%, 93.11% of this can survive, while 1.68% we lost their lives. Thanks for watching.